This is the first video in my small bathroom remodel series. We're going to be doing a soft demolition in the shower area to put a more modern shower in. Now let's get started. This part is the soft demo where I am removing the tile and then the drywall. Some people might just take the whole drywall and tile out together and to the dump that way, but I decided to do it two separate parts. For me, it was easier to transport to the dump with the tile this way, putting it in garbage bags and taking it to the dump, rather than big sheets of drywall and tile connected. Now it's time to take the drywall off of this wall. I want to make sure that I'm not damaging too much of the drywall and the ceiling, so I'm using a blade to cut at the corner just to try to cut the tape that is connecting the wall to the ceiling, and that way I feel like it'll be a lot easier to take the drywall out without damaging too much of the ceiling. I know some of it might get damaged. Now's the time to break the drywall. I'm using a hammer, and the safety gear that I have on is a pair of leather gloves, the dust mask, and my goggles. I'm now discovering a vent pipe for the shower and the toilet in this wall, and this is a bit of a setback that I'm going to have to work into the new plans for the shower. This vent pipe will need to be underground, and I need to make sure that it is properly built, so I have to get an inspection for this. Here at the bottom of the wall that's shared with the garage, there's a rodent cache. It looks like there's a pile of grain that a rodent has been hoarding, and I have to clean this up. I thought it was pretty funny. Start by crossing the two wires, bring one under the other, turn them back towards each other and plug them in, and that is how you make sure the power tool doesn't come unplugged. My second method is plug in the tool, fold the two wires together, basic overhand knot, and pull it through to make sure that the knot doesn't come undone while you're working. To remove the shower pan, I first have to get the center drain out, and to do this I want to make sure none of this debris is falling down there, so I put a rag, and I'm also using a old screwdriver and a hammer to break out this metal ring. It's a soft metal inside there, and I'm just taking chunks out and trying to get as much of it out as possible to try to get the drain out. After what seemed like a really long process of hammering, drilling, and prying, I finally got this center ring out, and now I can finally lift the shower pan up. The bathroom's already looking a lot more open and spacious. I still have to figure out what to do with these pipes, and that's going to be in a future video. So if you want to see that, hit that subscribe button down below. Give it a thumbs up because that helps me out as well. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.